It helps me in broadening my horizons in different themes like artificial intelligence, more UX research, and data science. I'm from a bachelor's of IT, but I chose to be a designer. I worked 3 years in the industry and I realized that I need more knowledge, more update of what's going on right now in the data science with the growing artificial intelligence and also like updated research knowledge. During my client project, my client NS, we had to do surveys for taking bikes on the train. So taking those massive amounts of surveys and processing that data, that was like very nice experience to do because you don't get to do that normally as a UX designer. I'm from an international class and we have people from literally all over the world, all continents. You see a lot of perspectives, a lot of different cultural norms. So it's a very nice learning experience. My dream job is actually to be a product owner. This master is also useful for me because I have more chances, more skill set of being someone who knows more than a junior designer would. So yeah, I could lead teams.